Hey, what's up everyone? It's David with Salted Perfection, and today we're going to be smoking a brisket using our amazing new select blend, Fort Worth. Fort Worth is salty and sweet with a little bit of heat, and it has just the right amount of activated charcoal in it to create a beautiful black crust on anything that you grill with it. It's fantastic on steak and brisket, of course, but try it on chicken and burgers and get creative with it, and let us know in the comments how you're using our select blends. We love hearing about that. We have customers who are adding select blends to smoothies, making tuna salad and chicken salad with them and sprinkling them on green salads. It's awesome. We love hearing about it and we want to share more recipes. So let us know, and without further ado, I'm going to get into making this. This brisket looks amazing and I can't wait to taste it. Thanks for watching. So there are a ton of videos on YouTube on how to properly trim a brisket, and I'm by no means an expert, but I'm just gonna cut off some of this extra fat here and clean this up. I am going to slather the entire brisket in mayonnaise and then coat it with Fort Worth. And I know people in Texas right now are freaking out, like, how dare you do that? I'm not from Texas. So I'm using some store-bought mayonnaise today. It's super easy to make mayonnaise. We've been doing that a lot lately, making our own, which is really cool. But for this, I'm just going to slather on. Now I'm going to be generous with my Fort Worth here because I'm married to the boss who makes the products. But kind of pat that in. You are gonna love Fort Worth. It's got, holy cow. Yes, it has the activated charcoal. Can do the same thing on this side. And all those trimmings, you'll see in a bit, all those trimmings I'm gonna put in the drip pan. And just let those cook and simmer down. All that nice fat is gonna simmer down. I'm pretty excited to see how that goes. And again, with the Fort Worth, I was just in Fort Worth in March of this year for the SCA World Steak Championships. Rail Yard Barbecue has been using our select blends, having a fair amount of success in competitions. And so I went to learn more about the steak cook-off world. Well, that's looking pretty good. All right, I've got the brisket here. And I'm gonna place it on the top rack. I like to do fat side up and then flip it over, because the juices kind of, from the fat, kind of work their way up after it's cooked for a while. All right, well, let's get some more of this good stuff on there. Hey. Glad I know the boss. Okay, that brisket's in there. We're gonna keep it in there for 4 hours at 250. Then I'm gonna flip it over and do 2 hours at 280 to crisp it up. Then I'm gonna wrap it in butcher's paper and bring it back out 10 hours at 180. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a really nice breeze. I'm going kite surfing for a couple hours, and I'll be back and flip this over and keep it going. Okay, it's been about 4 hours and we've had the pit boss at 250, and I'm about to open this and see how it looks. The moment of truth here. Oh, wow, this looks really good. So I'm gonna flip it over and put the fat side down. That way the remaining time, that fat is just gonna work its way up through the brisket and create all kinds of deliciousness. Awesome. I'm gonna give it a little bit more Fort Worth here on this side. Now it's just a matter of increasing the temperature to 280 for 2 hours, and then we'll pull it out, wrap it up, and do it overnight. See how it is in the morning. Okay, on the break, I ran to Ace Hardware and I bought some insulated grilling gloves. Ha! Work smarter, not harder, right? See how that does. Oh, wow, this looks amazing. We've got some nice drippings here. Oh, this is great. And this is so much easier with the gloves.
What?
Okay, so I have my butcher's paper laid out here, 2 pieces. And got my brisket over here, the beef drippings here, and I'm just gonna smear some of this around a little bit. Okay, let's put this brisket, I'm gonna put it in the paper, fat up. That way when I put it back in the grill, it'll be fat down. There we are. I removed the rack from here. Just gonna put that in there like that. I will be back, baby, in 10 hours, maybe 12, maybe 14, I don't know. Hey, so it's been about 12 and a half hours since I put it in the paper. It's like 6:30 the following morning. 10 hours would have been 4 o'clock. I didn't feel like getting up. So I've got some coffee going. Thought I'd pull it off here and cut it up and see how we're doing. It should be delicious. One really well done piece of beef. Let's see here. Oh, wow. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is just beautiful. I did not expect that. That is beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's a little early in the morning. That is good. And there you have it, a perfectly smoked brisket. Tender, juicy, and bursting with flavor. All thanks to our Fort Worth Select Blend. Remember, great barbecue starts with great seasoning. And here at Salted Perfection, we're all about bringing you the best. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try smoking your own brisket. Don't forget to check out our other blends and recipes on our website. Happy grilling, and until next time, keep those fires burning and those flavors flowing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.